What's up, my people? It's your boy Mr. Getting It Done. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, we talk about all things credit and real estate and finance to help everybody get to the next level. So if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribe and smash that smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm, and share this video with somebody that may need to hear it so you can help them level up. So my beautiful people, I was having an interesting debate with one of my guys, man, and I wanted to share this so that way a lot of you could understand kind of like where I'm coming from. And the question was surrounding credit. Okay, so you know, my guy talked about, you know, when he was, 2021, he had a 750, blah blah blah. So he had good credit, at a young age, and it was by default. It wasn't like he was taught by his parents or his family, anything like that. He just, defaulted and had good credit just by making his payments on time and not making any late payments. But we were talking about credit and what technically good credit means, right? And yeah, having a 720 or 750 is good credit, but what's good credit if you're not leveraging it? What does good credit mean or do for you if you're not using it to get yourself to the next level, to make investments, to take risks, to get loans, to get credit cards, etc.? Right? This is why credit is here. If you have a 750 credit score and you're not doing anything with it, you're not leveraging it, then in my opinion, it's dead. It doesn't mean anything. If you have an 800 credit score and you're not leveraging that puppy to go ahead and make you money, to buy assets, to put your family in a position, then that means zero, right? Because if I have a 750 right now and that's considered, good to excellent credit, and I die tomorrow, right? How did my family benefit from that, right? Outside of the fact if I don't have life insurance. Like how did I leverage my good credit to go ahead and put my family in a position to eat while I'm not here, right? So, in my opinion, man, and we went on for like about an hour, okay, going back and forth. Both of us had good points, both of us had good positions, but my ultimate point is, if you have a 750, if you have an 800, use it, man. Use it to get ahead, use it to invest, use it to open doors, use it to put yourself in a better position than maybe what your family left you in. Think about it, man. Most of us minorities, especially me, I wasn't taught credit. I wasn't given, I wasn't put in a position to take advantage of credit. I learned the hard way. Credit wasn't, we didn't have credit discussions at my house. I was the first. We lived in the projects our whole lives. I was the first one in my family to do what I'm doing now, right? And I had to learn the hard way. Life taught me after I got a repossession, after I maxed out my credit cards and had them, taken charged off, right? And had to cut them up, right? I learned the hard way. But at the end of the day, if I would have had somebody in my family or somebody that I was surrounding myself with, maybe somebody else's family or whatever, if I would have had them share the game with me, share some knowledge and prepare me, then I probably would never had those things happen to me, and I'd be a lot farther than what I am now. But the point is, my beautiful people, that if you have good credit, number one, leverage it to put yourself in a position to better you and your family. And then two, if you have excellent credit, teach it to your family, right? I have my kids, and I'm gonna keep this video short. So my kids, I've built my kids' credit since they were 8 years old, and I've had a credit card in my kids' hands since they were 6, making transactions, learning how to read the receipt, the taxes, reading that back to me, knowing how much they use, knowing how much of the limit they use. So all of this I programmed into my children at a young age. And then when they were old enough, like my daughter, for an example, my oldest, when she was ready to go buy her first new car, she went to got a BMW, and she didn't need me or her mother to co-sign, right? She already had a 787 credit score. She had a nice profile. I built it out for her, and then boom, she was able to go out and didn't need anybody to co-sign. She didn't need anybody to do anything for her, right? So I set her up. My son, he just turned 18. He's on the same boat, right? So he's in a position now where he has excellent credit that he can go out and leverage, which he did to go purchase a car in his business name to put on Toro to make money. So I'm doing things differently this time around, and I make sure that I leverage my good credit when I got it to go ahead and get everything that I got now, the cars, the houses, etc. So my beautiful people, the point of this video, 5 minutes and counting, is that if you have excellent credit, leverage it to get to the next level, man, for you and your family. You won't be disappointed, and if you're not doing that, you're doing your family a disservice if you don't have them set up already. Okay, so my beautiful people, thank you for stopping by the channel. Comment below if you want to see any credit videos, any business credit videos, anything that you have any questions on that can help you get to the next level. Drop it in the comment section below. I'll make a video explaining and addressing that so that we can all level up together, man. Abundance is our birthright. We all deserve to eat and get to the top, so let's grow together, man. I hope everyone's well, hope everyone's healthy, hope everyone's beautiful, hope everybody's smashing their goals. Let's go. Foot on the gas, man. No excuses. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.